Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to install KiddoGuard parental control. In today's digital world, children face risks like cyberbullying and online predators. As parents, it's our responsibility to keep them safe. KiddoGuard makes this possible by letting you track your child's location, manage screen time, monitor social apps, and even view media files all directly from your own device. Before we begin, keep in mind that KiddoGuard is a legal app. It's designed for parents who want to protect their children or for monitoring your own devices safely and legally. If you wish to use it on someone else's device, you must have their explicit consent. The first step is to prepare the phone you want to monitor. Make sure it's running on Android version 5 or above, and that it has a stable internet connection. We recommend at least 1 GB of data so the app can sync properly. Next, you'll need an account. Head over to the iPhoneTool website and create your KiddoGuard account. This will be the account you'll use to log in and view all monitoring data later. If the phone is running Android 7.1 or below, you'll first need to adjust a couple of quick settings so the installation works smoothly. Open the Settings menu, find the Security section, and allow installation from unknown sources. Confirm by tapping OK. Next, disable Google Play Protect to prevent it from interfering with the installation. Open the Play Store, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, select Play Protect, then go to Settings and switch off the protection feature. Now you can download KiddoGuard Monitor app on the target Android device. Visit https://demo.iphonetool.com/dashboard and swipe right to download the app. Then, open File Manager, locate the APK file, and tap it to begin installation. After installation is completed, log your account of iPhoneTool and click Configuration. When you arrive at the Configuration Processes page, hit Configuration Automatically Configure to grant permissions for monitoring the target device. After this, choose Verify Setup and hide the app on the phone. Start your parental control of children's or partner's phones now without being noticed. The final step is to confirm the setup. On your own phone or computer, visit demo.iphonetool.com and log in with your account. If everything was done correctly, you'll see the target device listed on your dashboard along with its information. From here, you can start monitoring location, apps, and media files right away. And that's it. KiddoGuard is now ready on your child's device. With KiddoGuard, you're not just installing an app, you're gaining peace of mind. From location tracking to social media monitoring, and from screen time management to secure file access, KiddoGuard gives you complete control and visibility. Thanks for watching this guide. Subscribe now for more expert guides and share your questions in the comments. Our team is here to help.